Hi everybody, welcome to week 6, module 6. This week we're going to be taking a look at empowering and holding others accountable. Again, there'll be 2 assignments this week. So first, read and learn about empowering and holding others accountable. Learn about building high-performing teams. Some specific ideas here. Scan the Rework website. Pay attention to identifying the dynamics of teams. Identify the top 2 reasons. Share your ideas. And then the second assignment this time around is based on the importance of psychological safety. This is a key topic in terms of creating trust and developing relationships. Address the importance of psychological safety and how you might create it in a workplace. So we're getting close to the end of the 8-week session. So remember, you need to take and submit the protection of minors training. If you've taken it already, just take a screenshot of that last page that says you've completed it and upload that. If you think that there is some other training you've taken that will apply, let me know. But otherwise, you have to have that completed as part of this class. So have a good week.